First we take A4 paper and cut off some portion and then take some measures with the help of a scale. Then we fold the paper like this and attach with glue. Now cut off the corners with the scissors. Then again fold it like this and attach with glue. Then we will do the same with the other end to make the cube just like this. Next we will make a cube and we will put a wire through the cube so that we can fit a bulb later. Now you can see we have already made lots of cubes. There are 26 cubes in total. So let's make the Rubik's cube now. The middle one will be absent because we will fit there a bulb. Now we are fitting the bulb, and you should be very careful when you are working with electricity, and it will be better if you take a help of an adult. Cover this area with tape. Now place the bulb like this and cover the bulb with a half cube. Now we will use this 6 color as there are 6 surfaces in a cube. So that's how you can make Rubik's Cube Jharbati.